In this lecture, we are going to see the importance of meta description existence. Here, I have searched for AMD AM4 socket. This is a keyword and my search result appears here. Links help organize the landing page content. This improves the user experience, click through rates, and bounce rates, which will in turn improve rankings. In the upcoming lectures, let's see how we can add meta description to each of your posts. But in the next lecture, I'm going to explain you the importance of H1 and H2 tags. These are also called as heading tags.